Happy holidays, everybody. It is the holiday season, and I've been away for a very long time. You're probably asking, where have you been? Well, not a whole lot's been happening in the Elementor world. Yes, there is, and I'm trying to catch up. But I had a little accident that left me with a cast on my wrist and a hairline fracture on my ankle. Funny story. I was on Halloween at noon, standing on an unsecured piece of furniture in my closet, and went to reach for my costume on a high shelf. And the next thing I knew, I was on the floor. And I heard a pop. And that pop was my wrist. The radius is the big bone. The ulna is the small bone. The radius had a crack right through it. And so, yeah, I've been recuperating and trying to deal with life with only one good hand. I've survived. I've got my cast. I'm in the process of weaning it off. All the bones have healed. It's been 5 weeks. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. But I'm back, and here I am. Healing well, and so therapy starts next week, sort of occupational and physical therapy, because my wrist it won't bend like it's supposed to. So I'm here, and hopefully, yes, let's use that big word, hopefully. More videos will be in the works for the new year. So let's move on to the news. The news is, I know I've been away for a while, so I'm just kind of catching you up. If you don't know Elementor news, Elementor shut down its expert site. Now, if you were a freelancer like myself, I enjoyed the expert site that I could, people could reach out to me during the shutdown and be able to get the help they needed. And so as the shutdown, and people were getting back into public life, that's when some nefarious characters started going through and trying to scam people. And I was not immune to that. So I got one of those scammers reaching out to me. It wasn't fun, and there were some red flags. The communication was not happening, and they repeated themselves, and yeah, that's when I realized this is not a real person, or at least they're not trying to be a real person. So they did shut down the Elementor expert site. Now, if you go to the internet and try to look for Elementor experts, the only thing on the internet is this web page for Elementor, because they cleaned it up and took down the expert site. And all you can do right now is go to Elementor's group on Facebook. So I'll just move on to the next topic, which is everybody's probably a little disgruntled about, is the pricing change. I am solidified. I am grandfathered into the price lock for me on a previous expert level plan. For me, the expert plan is $99 a year for 1,000 sites. Now, that is not what the pricing plan is now, okay? So I'm going to go through what's happening right now, what happened on December 4th, okay? So if you have previously purchased a plan from Elementor, a pricing plan for the builder, for the pro builder, you are grandfathered in as long as your subscription does not lapse and you pay attention and you renew it every year. You're grandfathered in. Whatever plan you have, you're grandfathered in, and you're going to keep that plan and whatever comes with that plan. However, if today you go on Elementor's website, you're going to have to purchase their new plan. And if your credit card expires and you don't know about it, and somehow you don't get an update and your plan lapses, you will now have to pay the new prices. What are those new prices? Well, let's take a look. And let me explain them. So for $59, you get one site. As of right now, you don't have a plan, or your plan lapses at some time in the future. Here's what the new plan is for you as of right now. Okay, things may change. You get one site for $59. However, look at this, boys and girls, this is very important. You only get 50 pro widgets. Well, that's a lot. Yeah, but if you go to the next tier for the $99, there are 82 pro widgets. So you're probably asking, what am I missing in the, excuse me, I had to do the math, 28, I had to write it down. What are you missing in the 28 widgets? Well, that's where this other pro versus free, I'll put the link in the description, or it's going to be there because this is a recording. Let's go look at this Elementor Pro versus free website link. Let me just scroll up to the top. Okay, so when I first looked at this table graph, I got upset. I got really angry because I wasn't paying attention. This is Elementor Core free, okay? There are things in Elementor Core that you get, and then they cut off certain things in Elementor free. We all know that. Then there's Elementor Pro Essential. It's an upgrade to the free version. You get a little bit more, but there are things that they cut off. It's not the full version, even though it's Pro Essential, okay? Just understand that you're not getting everything in the Pro Essential plan, all right? Then what they do, I'm going to switch tabs here on you. I'm going to go back to the plugin pricing. There's the advanced, there's the expert, and there's the agency, okay? In this pro versus free, they lump them all together. Why? Because with Elementor Advanced, Expert, and Agency, you get everything. Everything, everything, everything. You get everything in those 3 plans. Everything. The check marks all the way down. So every feature that you could possibly want with Elementor, the unlimited, you get everything, is in the Advanced, Expert, and Agency plans. There is a limited Pro Essentials plan. And you're probably saying, what is limited? All right, well, let's scroll down this list. You're getting check marks, you're getting check marks. So with the Essentials plan, the first thing you do not get in the Essentials plan is the custom CSS. You're going to have to upgrade to one of the Advanced, Expert, or Agencies. So what I'm talking about right now is this plan. The Essentials plan and the 50 Pro widgets, and the difference between this Essentials plan and everything else. Okay, so there's 50 here and there's 82, and you're wanting to know what you're not getting in the Essentials plan. All right, that's what we're going over right now. What you do not get in the Essentials plan is custom CSS. You're not getting a pricing table or a price list. You are not getting any WooCommerce products. None. 0 WooCommerce products. What you're not getting in the Essentials plan is form integrations. What you're not getting in the Essentials plan is any type of ACF toolset integration. Do you get the dynamic? Yes, you do. Dynamic single post and archive page design. You do get that, but you don't get ACF integration, and you do not get the pop-up builder in the Essentials plan. What I just went through and said what you don't get is what you don't get in the Essentials plan. It is a watered down version of the Pro version. Just letting everybody know what you don't get in the Essentials plan. Every other plan, whatever's left, Advanced, Expert, and Agency, you get all 82, 82, and 82. I'm sure that 82 is going to go up even higher. And the only difference you're paying for is 3 sites, 25, and 1,000. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention about the pricing change and the difference with the Essentials plan and what you don't get. So I know that's painful, but there it is. The next thing is we are up at a new version, version 3.18.2. Now it is important for you to upgrade, getting that word right, upgrade to the newest version. Why? So 3.18.2, which came out yesterday, it's a security fix, y'all. It is a security fix addressing security weaknesses in the template upload mechanism. So please update. Please, 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 please update to the latest version. That was some Elementor news that I wanted to drop on you. I hope y'all have a happy holiday. I am in the works of putting together an Ele beginner series. Just things that maybe somebody doesn't know. You know, it's like I use this every day, but I don't know why. And why do I choose this over that? So I'm putting some of those videos together and hopefully we'll release them in the new year. Y'all have a happy holidays. Bye now.